Hey, this is John Horn from Stub Group. We're the #1 resource for fixing Google suspensions and policy violations, and we're also one of the top premier Google partner advertising agencies in the world. And today I'm talking about circumventing systems and an update that Google just made in July of 2023 to their circumventing systems policy. So circumventing systems is a fairly broad policy that covers a number of different things that Google finds to be problematic with Google Ads accounts or websites. And it's one of the most common policy violations that we see when companies hire us to help them fix their suspensions and get them back online. So you can better believe that we watch closely any types of changes that Google is making to their policies. And they just rolled out a very slight change to the wording on their circumventing policy suspension. So this is the update that Google just announced. In July 2023, the Google Ads circumventing systems policy will be updated to clarify that the policy prohibits repeated and simultaneous policy violations across any of your accounts, including using 2 or more accounts to post ads that violate any Google Ads policy. They have already updated the policy page, so when you go and look at the circumventing systems policy page, you will see the new data. And this right here is the primary paragraph that has changed. It used to be repeated policy violations across any of your accounts, including creating new domains or accounts to post ads that are similar to ads that have been disapproved for this or any other Google Ads policy. Now, here's what's changed. So whether repeated or simultaneous, policy violations across any of your accounts, including using 2 or more accounts to post ads that violate this or any other Google Ads policy. The previous text didn't really clarify or specify if it was talking about the same violation. So for example, you have the same reason for disapproval in ads in 2 different accounts, or completely different unrelated types of policy or ad disapproval or suspension issues across multiple accounts. So now Google is clarifying if you're violating anything across multiple accounts, that is a problem. And then as an example, they give creating new domains or accounts to post ads that are similar to ads that have been disapproved for this or any other Google Ads policy, which is pretty similar to what the previous policy said. Now they're just giving it as an example. So what does this mean? What's the change? Really, it's not a significant change in terms of the spirit of things. They're just getting a little bit more precise, I would say, in their language and approaching it from a slightly different angle. But ultimately, it's still the same thing, which is that, hey, if you have multiple Google Ads accounts and you are violating Google's policies, that's going to be an issue for them. And you may likely get flagged for circumventing, even if different accounts are violating or being flagged for different policies. Maybe one's got ads flagged for malicious software, another's got ads flagged for misleading claims, or fill in the blank. The fact that you have multiple accounts that are having policy issues is a problem in Google's eyes. So what should you do with this information? Well, if you are battling suspensions, disapprovals right now, obviously you should always do everything you can to fix those and make sure that you are not having policy violations in any of your accounts. If you're already suspended and you're looking for help, that's where we come in. We are very expert at looking at the situation. If you have multiple accounts, looking at all the accounts and understanding how is Google connecting the dots, and is it possible that the policy issue in account A is impacting account B or vice versa, and then digging in and helping you fix those problems so that you can get the accounts back online.
Hey, thanks for watching another knowledge-packed video from Stub Group. We're the #1 resource for fixing Google suspensions and policy violations. We're also one of the top premier Google partner agencies in the world. We'd love to help you fix your suspension, dominate Google Ads, and grow your business. So please subscribe to this channel for more great tips and insights into all things Google. And check out the description below to get expert help for your own suspension. Thanks.